Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Fishing and Flushing Outdoors. Today we're back in Pennsylvania doing some pheasant hunting. Stay tuned, we'll see what happens. Where's them birds? Hunt them up. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to apologize for the bad camera angle. I should have had my GoPro turned up on this hunt, but I guess you can kind of see the dog, the way he's working. So hopefully stay tuned and see what we get here, guys. Hunt him up. Where's he at? Go get him. Hunt him up. Come on. Where's some birds? Come on. Hunt them up. Alright guys, I replaced the bell I had on Patches instead of the jingle bell bracelets I sewed onto his collar. I got my bell in the mail. It's pretty loud, as you can tell, and got him a new vest, so you can definitely see what he's got going on here. Where's he at? Get him. Patches, here. Here. Where's he at? Patches, here. There he is. There he is. Good job, bud. Good job. Alright guys, got a rooster. See if we can't get another one. Patches got him. Go see if we can't get another one, bud. Come on, hunt him up. Where's he at? Hunt him up. Come on, Patches. Hunt him up.
Where's he at? Patches here. Patches here. Hunt him up. Where's he at? Patches here. Right in here somewhere, bud. Where's that bird? Where's he at? Hunt him up. Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at, Patches? Hunt him up. You got him? Oh yeah, good job. Good job, Patches. Good job. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Patches. Alright guys, we got a quick limit this morning. Patches was on them before the rain came. Patches, man, he's working hard this morning. He said, man, I hope you finally got this on video. Last two limits, you didn't get them on video. Alright guys, Patches got a limit this morning before the rain came in. As soon as we got out here, he was on them. I followed him, and he was on the birds. So, last couple videos, last two videos, I don't know what happened. Bad recording, I don't know, but I'm gonna put a little clip of those hunts in there in this video, so hopefully we got this on video. So stay tuned for the next episode of Fishing and Flushing Outdoors. Come on, hunt him up. Where's he at? Where's them birds? Where's he at? Come on, hunt him up.